Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Spotify on Fitbit Versa 4. First, make sure your Fitbit Versa 4 is fully charged and paired with your smartphone. Next, open the Fitbit app on your phone. It's crucial that both your Fitbit device and your phone have a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, to ensure a smooth setup process. This initial preparation is key to getting your music flowing seamlessly. Now, let's link your Spotify account. Open the Fitbit app on your phone and tap on your profile picture, then select your Versa 4. Scroll down to the Apps section and find Spotify. Tap on it, then follow the on-screen instructions to log in with your Spotify Premium credentials. You'll need to grant a few permissions, which allows your Fitbit to control your music. This step securely connects your two favorite platforms. Once linked, controlling your music is simple. Swipe left on your Versa 4 watch face until you find the Spotify app. Tap to open it. From here, you can easily play or pause your current track, skip forward or backward, and even adjust the volume with a few taps. You can also browse your recently played music, giving you quick access to your favorite tunes right from your wrist. If you encounter any issues, here are some quick tips. Always ensure your phone is within about 30 feet of your Versa 4 for a stable Bluetooth connection. Double-check that your Spotify Premium subscription is active, as this feature requires it. If things aren't working, try restarting both your Fitbit and your phone. Also, keep both the Fitbit and Spotify apps updated to their newest versions for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.